Top craziest metal forming machines you'll ever see. Number 1. Rectangular bars. The opposite of round steel. Pipes are rectangular bars because forged steel is stronger, more durable, and harder. The majority of manufacturing companies prefer to forge their metals. The steel is formed into the right shape when extreme pressure is applied to heated metals. The metals can't resist such overwhelming force and tend to align the grain, meaning a more precise and constructed internal structure. We must consider how square and rectangular bars and blocks are made, and how much and how long each bar can be. There are limits and capabilities when it comes to length and size for different types of metal substances. A bar can be as long as 220 inches or 5.5 meters with a maximum weight of 60,000 pounds or 27,000 kilograms if carbon steel and alloy steel is used. For rectangular and square blocks, they are essentially long, flat, forged metal that is laser cut. However, stainless steel, nickel, and superalloy can be as long as 60 inches or 1.5 meters and weight only 15,000 pounds or 6,800 kilograms. Number 2. Anyang Forging Manipulator. The Anyang Forging Press Company is one of the world's top manufacturers of open and closed die forging machines. This company now supplies over 60 countries. CNC hydraulic die forging hammers and steel bar shearing machines are popular forging types. Open die machines are believed to have one of the strongest heavy-duty hammers with an arc and bridge design. The hammer hands in the middle and pushes down. The 10 tons open hammer has a maximum energy of 490 kilojoules and can be used for a variety of shapes and sizes, but closed die forging uses less force to achieve their desired results. Open forging has more power and machinery than closed forging. Metal is not enclosed or held in place, so the hammer stamps it freely, whereas closed dieing uses pressure to fill a cast or impression. Number 3. Large steel coils. Creating large steel coils may seem like an easy task, but in reality it involves many steps and precise actions when it comes to metal bars that need to be flattened in brisk order roll. Forging is the best option. Taking the newly heated rectangular bars out of the heater, they are placed on a roller which leads them to cylindrical rolls. The metal is flattened out and increased in length by placing it under cylindrical rolls. The hammers press down on both ends of the bar, reducing its width from about 8.5 inches to just 1.2 inches. As the rolls rotate, the metal rods gradually achieve the desired shape and size. Immediately after flattening, coiling begins. The relatively thin steel is now ready to take its desired shape. In the coiling process, the metal is placed under a roller that automatically coils it. Number 4. Franchini Axial Pipes. A major global forging processor is Franchini Axial. From power generation tools and equipment to mechanical industry equipment. Steel pipes, generators, motors, and rotor shafts all have different shapes and functions that can be forged to perfection by this successful Italian manufacturer. Some of the hardest metals are large pipes. Gets to manufacture and produce. The creation of long and extended pipes requires detail and determination. The metal is shaped using a heat and pressure mold. Stainless steel, nickel alloys, or super duplex steel are first placed between the upper and lower dies. In the next step, the forging hammer pushes down on the newly heated metal to give it a smooth, round exterior. In order to create a seamless cylindrical form, it is necessary to add details and cast the ends. The hammer will push down on specific parts of the metal when specific shaft shapes are needed. Number 5. Gear forging. From casting to forging to extrusion, specific round shapes and detailed curves are achieved with meticulous work before any specific casting can take place. First, heat up the metal until it takes its proper form. Blanking occurs when a blank gear is on its way to production. To achieve the desired length and width, hammers push down round cylinders. In order to create the signature hollow inside the metal, a smaller round hammer is driven through the newly formed small gear. After polishing and shaping wide diameter gears, metals extend them. pulling apart the hot steel, resulting in thin-width equipment. Casting hot metal gears involves placing them under intricately detailed hammers, which push them down on the steel, creating the desired shape. Number 6. Moritura Company. Moritura is one of the leading forging companies specializing in small caliber steel work, established in 1992. For nearly 3 decades, this company has provided high-quality products and tools. Moritura can forge any small-sized tool and equipment with its forging machines, from ring gears to crankshafts. This company uses various forging techniques to achieve the best results. For ring gears, large hydraulic press machines are used. Using square timber, the press eventually rounds up the edges so that the metal takes the shape of a deer. To forge ring forges and tools, the heated metal pieces go through closed die forging machines. The closed dies have elongated rings that push down on the sizzling steel. Number 7. Sorel Forge. There is no doubt that the Canadian forging industry has been dominated by the Sorel Forge Manufacturing Company with their renowned open die steel forging mechanisms and processes. Founded in 1999, CLL Forge specializes in producing high-quality forged bars. Using its own melting equipment, CLL Forge can heat and forge any type of metal up to 59,000 pounds for 27,000 kilograms. The company pushes elongated, rectangular, and round metal bars down with the help of a powerful, heavy-duty hammer, which results in impeccable and mint-condition industrial equipment and tools. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.